Yeah, this is a demo for parking management system. This feed is live coming from States. One of its parking camera. You can see there are 4 lanes near I'm mostly concerned in, and here's the empty spot. So existing cars, there are 3 cars and in this lane. So this one is parked there for almost 21 minutes, and this one is other like 21 minutes, and the other one is like 13 minutes. And this empty spot would be filled with whenever another car parks for maybe 15 seconds, 10 seconds, then it just assigns a new ID and database is being updated with the new values. So yeah, that is tracking all the cars in real time in today's date. And yeah, the backend code you can see is a Python and OpenCV with the machine learning. If you want to be specific, it's YOLO 5 running with the tracking with a combination of deep sort plus or some of the parking heuristics. But no, it looks good. If another vehicle comes in, then I can show you how quickly it updates the near parking from 3 to 4, but as there is nothing so far. So it also does like the label recognition for like delivery vans, just to make sure like what kind of delivery vans are where, and just for all sort of analytics purpose. Yeah.